So, you want to get your Phantom wallet interacting with the BonkBot Telegram trading bot? I got you. Trading bots and Solana projects are gaining attention among crypto users in the USA. BonkBot is a popular trading bot that works directly within Telegram. When you start BonkBot, it usually creates a brand new Solana wallet address specifically for you to use with the bot. So, connecting your Phantom wallet in this case mainly means funding your BonkBot wallet. First, start the BonkBot in your Telegram app and find the wallet address it generates for you. Then open your Phantom wallet. Select the SOL or other tokens you want to use for trading and choose the Send option. Carefully copy and paste your BonkBot wallet address into the recipient field in Phantom and send the funds. This makes your crypto available within BonkBot. It is very important for security to not import your main Phantom wallet's private key into BonkBot or any similar bot, even if an option seems available. Using the wallet BonkBot provides and funding it from Phantom is the standard way. And that's it.